Okay, you've decided that it's time to buy a new roof. It's a significant investment that adds value and protection to your home. But before you sit back and enjoy the peace of mind, there are a few crucial things you need to be aware of. Factors that could potentially void your roof warranty. Let's dive into the key factors that could jeopardize the validity of your roof warranty. First up, neglecting regular maintenance. Just like any part of your home, your roof requires proper care. Ignoring routine inspections and maintenance tasks, such as clearing debris or checking for damage, may give the manufacturer a reason to void your warranty. Make sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your warranty documentation. Next, attempting do-it-yourself repairs. While it's tempting to fix small issues on your own, unauthorized repairs could void your warranty. Always consult with a professional if you notice any damage to your roof. Remember, a well-intentioned repair could lead to more significant problems down the road. Using unauthorized materials is another potential pitfall. Your warranty likely specifies the types of materials approved for repairs and replacements. Deviating from these guidelines may void your warranty. When it comes to your roof, stick to the materials recommended by the manufacturer to ensure your warranty remains valid. Professional installation is key. Improper installation is a common reason for warranty disputes. Ensure that your roof is installed by qualified professionals who follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Investing in a reputable roofing contractor will not only protect your warranty but also guarantee the longevity of your roof. Lastly, failure to document changes. If you make any alterations to your roof or the surrounding structure, it's crucial to document them properly. Failure to do so may lead to warranty issues down the line. Keep detailed records of any modifications or changes to your roof, from adding a satellite dish to installing solar panels. Protecting your roof warranty is as important as protecting your home. By staying informed and following the manufacturer's guidelines, you can ensure that your investment remains safeguarded for years to come. Until next time, Colorado, metal up!